In this video, I'll show you how to start page numbering on page 3 in Google Docs. If you want the first 2 pages to stay unnumbered and begin numbering on page 3, the key is to create a new section before page 3. Google says page numbers can be applied to specific sections of a document, and if you do not see that option, you need to add a section break first. Also, page numbers only work in Pages format, not Pageless, so check that first if the option is missing. First, open your document on a computer and scroll to the end of page 2. Place your cursor there, right after the last text on page 2. Then click Insert, choose Break, and add a section break. Next page. Google support threads about this exact setup explain that adding the section break at the end of page 2 is what allows page 3 to have its own page number settings. Now go to page 3 and click in the header or footer area, depending on where you want the page number to appear. When the header or footer opens, look for Link to Previous and turn it off. This step is important because if page 3 stays linked to the earlier section, the numbering settings will keep affecting the first 2 pages as well. Google's help page explains that header and footer properties can be changed by section, which is what makes this possible. After that, insert the page number on page 3. Click Insert, then Page Elements, then Page Number. You can choose the page number style you want, or open more options if you want more control. Google says page numbering can be applied to specific sections or started from a specific page through the More Options menu. At this point, Google Docs may show page 3 as number 3 because it is the third physical page in the document. If you want page 3 to display as 1, right-click the page number on page 3 and open the page number options, then choose Start at 1. Google Support Community Answers describe this as the standard way to restart numbering once the new section has been created. So the full process is simple. Make sure the doc is in Pages format, place a section break at the end of page 2, click into the header or footer on page 3, turn off Link to Previous, insert the page number, and then set it to start at 1 if that is the numbering style you want. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.